Good morning. It's around 7:30 a.m. Sun is shining brighter than ever. I'm in a cab on the way to the airport. So what's cooking, Dino Bhai? Where are you headed? What is coming up? This is a kind of a sudden vlog that's happening. Of course, it'll be uploaded once I'm back home. By the time you would have seen all the Instagram updates and the YouTube stories and Instagram stories. But this is the first vlog. I'm heading to Delhi. And what's going to unfold in Delhi, you're in for a surprise for sure. One amazing kick-ass ride coming up, so stay tuned for all the action as the action unfolds right here at Dino's Vault. Okay guys, the security check is done. I'm on the way to Delhi, and where are we riding from Delhi, that I'll be explaining once we reach there. So really excited for this amazing ride that's coming up. Who all are going to be featured in this ride, that's another surprise, so stay tuned for all the action right here at Dino's Vault. Also special thanks to XBHP for inviting me over. Mighty thanks to Rhinox Gears for sending me some amazing gear, some of the best I've seen so far. Even this mask is really amazing. So yeah, can't wait to hit the road once we reach Delhi. So guys, finally reached safely, landed safely, just landed in Delhi. Bulu has also landed, so the surprise is done. He's the mystery guest biker who's going to ride along with me, along with the XBHP team. Together we're going to ride to Kolkata, and we're going to meet JS Paji, which is kind of standard as always every time I come to Delhi. So stay tuned for all the action. Right, plane ऊपर नीचे आगे पीछे हुआ, लेकिन सही सलामत पहुंच गई. Thank God. So, दिल्ली पहुंच गए और अभी वो बुल्लू भाई की तलाश में थे. सो बुल्लू भाई किसी और चीज़ की तलाश में घूम गए.
भाई बिलीव नहीं करोगे, लाइफ में पहली बार ना मेरे से कुछ गुम हो गया, और वो भी चला मेरा हेलमेट मिस हो गया एयरपोर्ट में, वो भी बैंगलोर वाली एयरपोर्ट में.
तो जो XBHP का स्पेशल एडिशन हेलमेट है वो वहाँ पे भूला है,
अभी इंटरकॉम सिस्टम एंड एवरीथिंग,
इंक्लूडिंग ग्लव्स पूरा. तो यहाँ पे फिर से इनको नया हेलमेट, नया राइडिंग गियर मिलेगा. सो भूलने का फायदा है. एक का दो पीस मिल जाएंगे अभी, जाके दूसरा पीस गिव अवे कर देंगे. ठीक है,
जगह नहीं है भाई, डबल बेडरूम फ्लैट है, ट्रिपल लेना पड़ेगा.
चलो अभी चलते हैं हम लोग होटल की तरफ, चेक इन करते हैं, थोड़ा खाना खा लेते हैं, उसके बाद चलते हैं XBHP हेडक्वार्टर्स. ठीक है, चलिए. तो भाई साहब सुबह से दिन ही खराब चल रहा है बुल्लू भाई का. तो हम लोग कैब सेलेक्ट करे, 2 बार कैंसिल हो गया. पहले तो एड्रेस अपडेट नहीं हुआ, अभी फिर जाके प्रीमियर बुक करे, फाइनली हो गया. तो शुक्र है ऊपर वाले का. अभी होटल जाएंगे, थोड़ा खाना वाना खाएंगे, सुबह से भुक्के फिर उसके बाद मजे लेंगे. सही है. एंड पाजी से मिलके फुल ऑन पार्टी करेंगे. और कल से एकदम
सुबह फिर
राइड करेंगे. चलिए, चलो भाई फाइनली आप पहुंचे रूम में. चेक इन कर लिया मैं और बुल्लू अलग रूम में है, मैं अलग रूम में हूँ. मेरा एकदम रिसेप्शन के पास है, तो फ़ोन यूज़ करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है, जाके डायरेक्टली रिसेप्शन में बोल दे सकते. ऑर्डर्ड फूड बिकॉज feeling really hungry. I don't like to eat when I'm flying, so usually I land and then आराम से खाना खाना चाहिए, because I'm a foodie, I enjoy food. ऐसा गड़बड़ी में नहीं खाता मैं हमेशा. तो I've ordered something, let's hope कुछ ना कुछ तो खाना है, just for filling the stomach, but tasty food शाम में मिलेगा पाजी के साथ. वो मस्ती हम चालू रखेंगे. लेकिन आज पहला स्केड्यूल है जाके XBHP टीम से मिलना है, because we are here because of them. I'm looking forward to meeting the entire XBHP team. Sunny Bhai, Manan Bhai, Sunil ji. Let's see how their headquarters is turning up. I think they're planning something, and their renovation कुछ हो रहा था उनके headquarters में. So I always wanted to visit it first hand. आज मौका मिल रहा है, तो let's see how the XBHP headquarters looks like. चलो बोलो, फाइनली आ गया क्या? फाइनली
So many cancellations.
आफ्टर सो मेनी कैंसिलेशंस. चलो 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 चलो. बोलो भाई, कहाँ पहुँच गए अपन? कोई किडनैप तो नहीं करेगा अपने को?
अंधेरे रातों में, सुनसान राहों में.
हाँ.
हेलो जी. यही है हमारा. हेलो सर.
आ गए. हेलो.
बाप रे बाप, अरे क्रिएटिव हो गए.
अरे वाह.
वाह.
बैटमैन,
माल गए. हाँ
गॉडजिला,
सही.
किंग कांग एक मिसिंग है.
हम भी
सुनील जी, अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रॉम हैदराबाद. ओल्ड सिटी वाले आ गए हम लोग बिरयानी खाने.
वेलकम.
अरे रे रे भाई साहब, वैलेंटाइन और रसी के साथ सेल्फी. ओह प्राइसलेस.
बड़ी वाली. अच्छा रिंग लाइट लेके.
ओ ये मैं चलाऊंगा.
नहीं तुम ये चलाओगे.
हाँ ओके. तो H2 बोल के ये चलाने के लिए बुलाया है. H2 बोल के क्लिक बेट नंबर 1, ये क्लिक बेट नंबर 2.
अच्छा ये मनु भाई, हमारा वो कब आ रहा है?
कौन का
KTM का वीडियो? नहीं अपना मैगजीन में.
अरे वाह.
अगला जो आ रहा है ना, अगला नेक्स्ट मंथ.
द वॉल ऑफ फेम. हॉल ऑफ फेम. वॉल ऑफ फेम.
यस दिस इज द भाई साहब, पूरा मानना पड़ेगा.
भाई साहब
एक्सीलेंट.
तो बैटमैन ये चलाएगा. नेक्स्ट बैटमैन डज इट कम इन ब्लैक बोल के पूछेगा.
हेलो. हाय.
ठीक है. म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर, साउंड इफेक्ट्स स्टार्ट.
आप सिंगर.
Okay guys, so we are at XBHP headquarters. You thought Godzilla vs Kong was cool? Here you can see Godzilla vs Batman. Who is Batman? Who's actually Bruce Wayne, who has done all this? It's almost like a bat cave here. It's like a bike cave, you can call it. Here you have Harley Quinn. Wonder Woman became Harley Quinn. So really crazy team, and who's obsessed with motorcycling. Sunil ji, I've known for quite a long time. This gentleman looks like
He's Karan.
he is Karan, but looks like Superman from Superman Returns. But here's another cool poster from XBHP, and everything is oozing motorcycling. And here you have all their magazine covers, the helmet collection. If you thought you've seen enough, well, it's just getting started. We also have a H2 here. I'll put off a wheelie on this soon. But this is where the real action is. The man of action. Bullu bhai. नहीं. ये भी है.
Hello guys.
Here is the Bruce Wayne of XBHP. Sunny Wayne. So Sunny, so glad to meet you.
Thank you so much, Gino, for coming here. I think the weather is little better here. थोड़ा ठंडक ज़्यादा है या नहीं?
No, it's just about pleasant because it was getting really hot.
Right.
वहाँ पे. And here I can see a curved LED screen. Is this your kind of
Think vision. I love it. Huh?
It's like a dashboard of a spaceship.
Yes, I love it.
And yeah, so your edits have been really cool, super cool. In fact,
Thank you
I've
so
been
much.
a fan of that as well. Even before I started YouTubing, and even before now, now that you've come into the mainstream media and social media and stuff.
YouTube तो I am still not there like the way I should have been, but you know, I'm not in the race. Like you know, let me just tell you.
It's not about a race, but it's about making a statement as to how passionate or how committed you
I
are
know.
to make a difference with your life. And we are so glad that the people like you are there who feel responsible, accountable to educate the rookie riders out
Likewise.
there. And you have made a world of difference. No one can deny that. And the kind of
Thank you.
contribution that you've made, we would like to, like all of us respect you, and we'd like to salute you.
Thank you
And
so
everyone in the community, motorcycling community or automobile community, they really acknowledge your contribution and respect you for all that you've done over the several years and doesn't go in vain.
Thank you
Also
so
the
much.
dedication.
Dedication, that's what I'm saying. It's
Dedication,
the
yeah.
commitment
सही में
and consistency.
मुझे पता है यार, मतलब इतने साल तक एक चीज को करना बहुत डिफिकल्ट है.
मैं आपको एक चीज़ बताता हूँ मेरे लिए क्यों नहीं डिफिकल्ट, बिकॉज एवरी डे व्हेन आई वेक अप इज आई डोंट फील दैट आई एम वर्किंग एट ऑल. मतलब आप मुझसे 14 घंटे काम करवा लो, आप भी जैसे यू आर व्लॉगिंग, यू गाइस यू आर ऑलवेज ऑन द रोड, बट मुझे नहीं लगता कि मुझे कभी कोई बाइक नहीं मिलती है, इवन अ 250cc मोटरसाइकिल. मुझे लगता है यार इसको मैं कैसे शूट कर सकता हूँ, क्या अच्छी फोटोज़ आ रही है क्या नहीं. आई जस्ट लव व्हाट आई डू एंड आई एम थैंकफुल टू गॉड. आई एम थैंकफुल टू ईच वन ऑफ द पीपल यू हैव सपोर्टेड और नॉट, डजंट मैटर. आई हैव लर्न समथिंग न्यू. इट्स जस्ट दैट कि जब तक हो सकता है तब तक करना है.
बस. See, we only live once, so let's make our lives count.
YOLO in new language.
So you can see the kind of lightsaber here. Here you can see Star-Lord and Hulk, Guardians of Galaxy, the entire Avengers Endgame.
World map.
Okay.
इसको मैंने I have to populate it.
Okay.
But it is not populated. I didn't find the time, so I got this made कि all the countries that we have done, like 60+ countries. So अभी इसमें आना है.
And यहाँ पे Camaro, is that a Camaro?
I believe so. It looks like, yeah.
And then there you have Optimus Prime.
Yeah. So all these are actually running on electricity.
Okay.
So I've also modified one of my very good friends to run it on electricity actually, but it runs on battery otherwise.
Okay. So my childhood has come alive now. मैं Sub-Zero बन के बैठा था. बुल्लू भाई.
GI Joe, right?
Sub-Zero is Mortal Kombat.
Mortal Kombat, right? So
And
I'll show you that one. You can see that is the only figure I have from Mortal Kombat.
Okay.
Goro.
Yeah. Over there, yeah. This is Goro. The 4 arms.
Yes.
Yeah, mighty Hulk. And here you have my personal favorite, all the MotoGP machines, the Insignia collection.
Marco is resting.
Yeah, here you have all the diecast. If you thought I had a good collection, then what would you call this? This is like a world, a galaxy, or a planet of collection actually.
There is only one problem. There is a traffic jam.
There's a traffic jam.
You will find this traffic jam at I think Gurgaon toll.
Oh my
at rush
God.
hour. But
I don't know how many are in here. I can't even start counting. बुल्लू भाई, आप काउंट कर सकते हो कितना, कहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे? 100, 200, 1000 कितना?
गिर गया, कहाँ रखना?
And here you have Thor's hammer. So whom Thor thought worthy, apart from Steve Rogers, Captain America, here we have one more who is worthy enough to lift the Thor's hammer and also wear the Infinity Gauntlet in one hand.
Wow.
Oh.
and that is the Iron Man gauntlet.
Yeah, that's the Iron Man gauntlet. This is the Thanos one. So really special, surreal experience. Absolutely
ये कहाँ से
magical.
This is available in India. A lot of things.
Yeah, it is. And this is again my personal favorite. All the Japanese anime inspired superheroes, including Batman, the most kick-ass.
Some are very detailed.
Yeah, very detailed. And this one.
This one is Samurai, for example.
Yeah, Samurai Batman.
This one is, I think, Samurai. Right?
No, this one also, I think so. We had Batman Arkham Knight.
And this is, look at this,
Yeah.
Batman Joker.
Batman Joker zombified, fused into one. And man, everywhere you see.
Contra, some people know about that.
Contra.
This is a very.
And here you have another multitude of collection. Here you have the Terminator and Harry Potter, Wolverine, multiple figures of Deadpool, including the ones over there. You have Alien and Predator as well.
Those are 1:4 scale.
Yeah. It's huge actually.
I'm also. I've got a.
And here you have He-Man collection. I know what that means to my childhood actually. I used to wait every Sunday.
Master of
every Sunday दूरदर्शन पे देखते थे wait करके. So man, this is a beautiful experience. Thank you so much for having us over. It's a privilege actually.
I hope to give you a much better experience maybe in 6 months. Please, when you come to Delhi,
Okay.
please connect with me.
Definitely, sir. So this was a quick tour of XBHP head office. You now understand what lies behind the smile of this man, because he enjoys what he does and he enjoys the ambience where he works. So this is what we try to make a statement. Do what you
I
love.
want to reach that level. I want to reach that level when I not only smile, but I start dancing like Dino. You know, that is a real happiness.
Yeah.
So I think that level I'm going to reach in 6 months.
So it's all about, I'll sum it up in one line. It's all about doing what you love.
Absolutely.
When you do what you love,
Otherwise, every day is just, you know, just living
It's
your
like a
life.
work.
yeah. When you do what you love what you do.
Absolutely.
So on this note, we'll end this kind of, but not, because we have to reveal
It's
the
just starting
the
motorcycles.
vehicles as well that we're going to ride along with. So, and there's a statement also being made. Different capacities, different genres of bikes riding together.
What is road trip united?
What is Road Trip United?
Right.
So, here's the man. Let's go and let's find out. Can you quickly explain what are the machines that are going to embark on this amazing road trip, and what kind of a statement you're willing to make with this?
Right. So basically, you know, as you know, X bhp means X amount of brake horsepower. X is basically algebraic variable. Well, X 0 bhi ho sakta hai for cycling, or 250, 300, whatever horsepower it can be. So let's start with the machines that we are uniting, different kind of machines. Starting with this one, the TVS Ntorq, and let me tell you the livery, the design for this whole ride is golden and black. So that's why all the vehicles are like this. And this is आपको मालूम है 9.7 bhp 125cc.
मेरे घर पे है
It is a nice, very nice machine.
Sounds really well.
ये साइड में जो है इंडियन मोटरसाइकिल FTR 1200, दिस इज नॉट गोइंग unfortunately, but this is one of my favorite bikes.
किसकी नहीं है, मेरी भी फेवरेट.
Here, this one is on the other hand of the spectrum. This is the world's fastest street legal production motorcycle, the Ninja H2. इसके ऊपर Ninja H2R है, which is not street legal, and
यहाँ पे शुरू होता है.
सब कुछ यहाँ है इसके impeller में. And here we've got few modifications. ये tank bag है magnetic, and this is the aux light here, which is actually quite helpful. अब मैं आपको चला के दिखा देता हूँ very quickly. So you can see how bright it is, and even the main light is not on right now of the H2. So ये है, and this one is again, as you can see, golden and black. I just love this motorcycle because there is nothing like, you know, इनका tagline है, nothing made like no other, something like that. So sorry, built beyond belief, built beyond belief, Ninja H2, and I did 20,000 kilometers on this around Australia. That was one of my favorite rides, and उसमें बस मैंने एक modification करवाया होता जो इसमें नहीं है, जो handle bar था, that was 30 mm resin.
Okay.
RR 310, and of course I think personally one of the most beautiful bikes ever made in India, and what a console and everything, you know, they have done. So it's a dream for many, you know, bikers to have this, to own this. Power is also pretty decent. I think 34 bhp.
Yeah, close to 34.
Yeah, and I think the engine TVS ने बनाया with their experience.
Now they have fine-tuned it further with the BS6 update. They've given riding modes, ride-by-wire, slipper clutch. Slipper clutch was there earlier also, but kind of fine-tuned it to the max. I thoroughly enjoyed riding this to Kanyakumari, and now looking forward to riding this again on this trip to begin with, and then of course one after the other.
Let's move to this, and the world's largest production capacity motorcycle, the Rocket 3R 2500cc. And I don't know what those guys at Hinckley and Triumph they were thinking, but whatever they were thinking, they caught my attention.
Thinking big actually.
Yeah, and look at that mass.
Truly.
And you know how they have actually bettered the last Rocket 3 is amazing. This is completely a different kind of a motorcycle.
Lighter and faster.
Lighter, faster.
More agile, easy to handle, and you've ridden it more, so you can, you know, tell exactly how rider friendly it is despite being such a mammoth machine.
Let me just tell you, there is like no replacement for displacement.
Yeah.
There is no replacement for the Rocket 3. If you're looking for a true blue cruiser, you can probably go for the GT version, which has for forward foot controls. This one has got mid foot controls, which is more conducive for bad roads. You can probably stand up on the motorcycle, more sporty riding. But I think, you know, overall this is a fantastic package. I mean, one that would take you easily through the next decade without thinking, you know, about another motorcycle.
And you have done few modifications on this, just like the H2?
Just the aux lights.
Okay.
Here, those are by Zana. They can pretty much put anything on any motorcycle. If you see these mounts, it is one of the most difficult motorcycles to mod.
So they've made custom mounts for Rocket 3.
And just one RAM mount and just one tank bag. That's pretty much it.
Officially from Triumph.
This is officially from Triumph, yes.
So this kind of is the bike collection of the Bruce Wayne. And then you have this mean machine.
The Thar.
The Thar is...
This is a petrol automatic.
Bulu bhai, excited?
आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड, मतलब बता नहीं सकता हूँ कि यार मैं तो अभी से सोच रहा हूँ कैसे लेके चले जाऊँगा, लेकिन चलो कल से शुरू होगा।
हाँ, मैं तो अभी लेके स्टेशन के पास।
लेकिन मज़ा आ जाएगा सच में यार, जब ये सारे के सारे गाड़ी रोड पे होंगे ना, उसकी फीलिंग ही अलग रहेगा।
And as always, Sunny, hats off to you for giving us a really special experience. First of all, the office, it is more like, as you said, it's not like an office environment. It's like a boy's dream. Place to meditate, a place to have fun, and place to live your dream. So keep up that smile of yours, and it's a lovely smile, lovely thought, lovely vision. I'm sure you'll expand and grow further and
Not like this.
expand your vision, not your body. Okay, so I'm pretty damn sure you'll make your life count, and already you've contributed enough in terms of automobile content, or trying to guide the younger riders in the right path. But it doesn't end here. It is just a journey, because there's a lot more demanded from you, people like you who are vastly experienced. So more responsibility to you, more accountability to make sure all the young rookie riders get educated and are as mature as you are.
I'll try to live up to the huge expectations. I just enjoy what I do. That's it.
That's it. So stay tuned for all the action right here at Dino's World. This is Dino signing off. This concludes the vlog of Road Trip United that's going to kickstart in style tomorrow. Stay tuned.